Guess who thought of integrating rank screens directly into smartphone cases? That's right, the Japanese. These cases are groundbreaking, showcasing a full-color ink display. Additionally, there's no need to charge these cases separately. They operate using NFC technology for both power and data. You can grab one of these cases for $79. AR and VR fans, get ready for the next big thing, courtesy of Mark Zuckerberg's company, Matter. The Quest 3 headset is here, featuring two displays with a resolution of 2064 by 2209 pixels and 6 cameras for mixed reality. Beyond virtual exploration, the Quest 3 can turn your kitchen table into a grand piano for a concert. Commuting to work can be tough, but if you agree, check out Roll Walk Skates from a team in Hong Kong. Marketed as your mini personal electric vehicle, Roll Walk makes commuting, running errands, or just rolling around much easier and more enjoyable. Here's an intriguing mix of tech, sports, and music from the creators of the Asobu H2. The concept: combine a 600ml thermos bottle with a charging earphone case. Thanks to its double-walled design, your drinks remain hot for 12 hours and cold for a full 24 hours. The British company Cience is now accepting pre-orders for their Agile bike lights, with delivery scheduled for February 2024. Priced at $44, it's a product many would consider worth even more. This flashlight weighs 30 grams, and a single charge keeps it shining for up to 16 hours on the brightest setting. Igloo emerges as a beacon for genuine experiences in our digital age. They've created more than just a smart gadget with Tornado, a two-in-one wonder. It not only warms up the room, but also adds a delightful aroma. This handy creation is handmade from fired pottery clay. The anti-stress toy family has a new member, the lettuce ball sphere. Crafted by a small company in the USA, this sphere is ideal for crumpling, stretching, and squeezing, providing a complete relaxation experience. The lettuce ball is also a great example of innovative products. Customers can print it themselves on a 3D printer instead of buying a pre-made sphere. For new guitar players, strumming chords can be quite painful, often leading to sore fingers and even blisters. A Canadian company, Rock Dreamer, offers a solution to ease this discomfort. They sell a gadget that attaches to the guitar's fingerboard, allowing you to press buttons to play the desired chords. The creators of this power bank describe it as having retro cyber aesthetics. It features a sleek body with a display that shows 8-bit graphics and technical information. You can even play simple games on the display. Aside from these features, it's a standard power bank with a 10,000 mAh capacity. Chinese advancements in mini projectors have reached a new milestone with the Yaeber Pico T1 model. This projector is so compact it fits not just in a bag, but in a pocket, weighing only 150 grams. While its resolution is modest at 960 by 540 pixels, the makers have included calibration, focusing, and image equalization features. They even managed to incorporate a tiny 1.5-watt speaker. The British company Breathe Daily encourages breathing as nature intended with their ultra eco-friendly air purifier. Based on NASA technology, this purifier cleans the air using moss, carbon, coconut, and sheep's wool. A single unit can significantly improve air quality in a 36 square meter space within just 1 hour. According to OutlandCube in Taiwan, the average person wastes around 100 hours of their life logging into various sites and apps. Spending $50 on this device appears quite justified. The key fob saves and enables the use of your logins and passwords via Bluetooth effortlessly. Just bring the key fob close to your smartphone, laptop, or other devices. It can store up to 1,000 sets of login credentials and passwords. Planning a trip. According to the team at the US-based company Color Perfect, the first item to pack in your suitcase should be this $70 iron. It features 6 temperature settings, ranging from 110 to 177 degrees Celsius. Backers on Indiegogo were enthusiastic about the Lido portable walkie-talkies, contributing approximately $320,000 to the campaign. Hailing from Hong Kong, Lido offers revolutionary products that redefine boundaries. With Lido, you can communicate across distances of up to 58 kilometers, and a fully charged battery allows for 16 hours of continuous communication. They've also introduced a touch ring for effortless control. Matchian Inc., an American company, has been actively innovating, and they've recently revolutionized electric shavers with the Motor Zero. This shaver stands out, not only for its sleek design, but also for its advanced features. Inspired by sports cars, its transparent body allows users to admire its inner mechanisms. This Japanese flashlight ring is ideal for joggers who run early mornings or late nights due to their work schedule. It boasts a brightness of 350 lumens, ensuring safe and confident running in any weather conditions, at any time of day. Simply wear it on your finger, that's all, say the creators. Sociological studies have revealed that South Korea has the highest levels of sleep deprivation globally, with only 35% of respondents reporting getting a good night's sleep. In contrast, 68% of respondents in India experience restful nights. This context brings us to the Ghost Sleep device from South Korea, featured in today's video. This device aids in falling asleep by regulating optimal levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide. It also includes aromatherapy, lights, and gentle air currents, creating a soothing environment. Users have reported effective results, with many falling asleep in as little as 15 minutes. Are you familiar with FOMO? It stands for fear of missing out, which can occur when spending too much time on social media. Fortunately, there's a FOMO survival kit available that includes 3 items addressing key questions: who, where, and when. Simply select an event on your social media and use the whistle-shaped gadget to announce the guest list. The compass will then guide you to the venue, while the flashlight also functions as a timer, indicating how much time remains before the event starts. Why hasn't anyone invented a multi-tool specifically designed to remove chain quick links? Well, it seems the team at Tradesman says they have. This multi-tool is designed to appeal to cyclists by helping with valve work, gear adjustments, spoke tightening, and more. It's compact and lightweight, weighing just 176 grams. In the climactic scenes of the first Home Alone movie, the main character creates a makeshift escape from the wet bandits using a cable and bicycle handlebars. In professional settings, similar setups are known as zip lines. Of course, ensuring a reliable way to stop is crucial. This is where brake kits like these come into play. The braking distance varies depending on the length of the zip line, typically ranging from 6 to 9 meters. The price for this brake kit is approximately $115. The TreeMate instruction system prioritizes simplicity by omitting smart features such as scanners or sensors. Despite this, it effectively aids young trees with a standard support ring, optionally supplemented by a protective cup. The primary goal is to minimize detrimental tree sway without immobilizing them, which could compromise root strength. The ring alone, without the stand, is priced at $17.